guys, here it is, the 2022 Honda CRF450R Works Edition. Absolutely a beautiful machine in every way. This is kind of a treat for you guys. You don't see a lot of Honda stuff on the channel, but Dome Cycles in Charleston, West Virginia was nice enough to let me come take a video of this, and it's much appreciated. Definitely kind of a one-of-a-kind bike. These are definitely a one-of-a-kind machine. I think KTM started this whole bandwagon with their factory edition. Well, Honda stepped it up, took it another notch. So I'm going to tell you, there is a drastic amount of differences on this bike compared to a regular edition. I'm going to go over those with you right now. All right, guys, so what makes the Works Edition different than the regular model? Let's start out with some of the most obvious things, and that's going to be the Yosh full titanium RS12 exhaust. Absolutely beautiful. Carbon end cap with like a matte finish. Doesn't look cheap. I love the colors with the red, white, and blue. Full tie, and it's even got special badging for the Works Edition that you're not going to find anywhere else. That's really cool. You've got the Henson clutch cover, but they don't stop here, guys, because you get a Henson clutch basket as well. That's what you'll find about the Honda. A lot of the stuff on the bike is actually useful. It's not just bling. So you get the basket and the cover. Super works, super cool. You get a twin air filter. Obviously the graphics are different. They're made by Throttle Jockey, and they're the Team Honda HRC graphics. That's where a lot of these parts for this bike come to, is out of their race shop. You've got the seat cover with the 5 white pleats, and they're actually raised pleats, so you get a little bit of extra grip. You get your Throttle Jockey logo right there. Moving down to the motor, we've got a red cylinder head cover. Pretty cool. I think Yamaha started doing some blue ones. It just really makes the motor pop a little more. I like it. But that's not where it stops with the motor. You have hand polished cylinder ports on this head. This is not a stock head, and I don't think any other manufacturer can say they make changes like that to the motor on their special editions. That's very cool. Props to Honda. Moving down to the rims, these are the DID Dirt Star LTX rims. Solid rims. You're gonna be able to take this bike out. These rims are gonna stand up to, say, casing a Supercross triple or something like that. They're not in line with just a stock rim. Now, my favorite stuff, the suspension. The lower fork tubes, they have their nitride coated fork legs. This has been common with Cowies for years. They did the DLC coating. That's diamond light coating. They were black on the bottom. This is nitride. This is better than DLC. It's smoother, it's less friction. This is closer to something you'd see done on an A kit today. You get the same thing with the shock shaft, but they don't stop there either. You also get a 18mm shock shaft, so you get a bigger, thicker, beefier shock shaft. What's that for, guys? That again is for big hits, big impacts, Supercross triples, stuff like that. A stock shock shaft cannot hold up to that stuff. They will bend all day long. Not the case with this setup. You also get the black anodized triple clamps. Absolute fire there. And then Renthal Kevlar grips. These are like a $30, $35. You're gonna get max durability, but they're also soft on the hands. So just packed with features. Love the look, love everything about them. If you guys are interested in this bike or any other Honda or Yamaha or Kawasaki motorcycle, get with Brandon Dawson at Dome Cycles and he will hook you up. Got the CRF Works Edition logo etched in the head right here. Just very cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And obviously this channel is your spot for new models, updates, everything moto and off-road. I'll see you guys in the next one.